Hey friends, if you wish to add extensions in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and click on get extensions for Microsoft Edge. Now you can pick a few of these popular extensions from here, or you can search the trait for which you want an extension. For example, if it's a VPN, then hit enter. Now to get any extension, simply click on get corresponding to it and then click on add extension. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.